let me explain once again what was the problem all about. So the brake lever had a very strange behavior, and when you pulled the brake lever and released it, somehow when it was warm, it was hard to pull, you know. You felt quite a bit of stiffness, you know. And I tried different solutions. I also took my motorcycle to one of my friends that it's a mechanic, but somehow the problem reappeared more than once. Here you can see that the Bandit has new brake pads in blue Brembo, and I also put a new brake liquid inside. Hi guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to another Suzuki Bandit episode. It is a sunny August day, and it is very nice to be on the bike, riding. Wherever you are, you should enjoy this moment. It is a bit hot, but in August it's always like this. Okay guys, the topic of this video is gonna be about the Suzuki Bandit brakes. You know that I had a little problem with the brake lever. It was sticking, and it was not working properly. When it gets warm, it has some moments where it can be stiff, and during a 30 minutes ride it can be twice stiff, you know. And it really doesn't matter, there is no rule, but somehow when you are riding, after an hour it's then again stiff, and then it's easy to pull, you know, and it is really annoying. And everything started when I got the bike. After 2 months I decided to do the brake bleeding, and I also changed the brake fluid that time. And after that I experienced that sticking of the brake lever, and it was usually like that. I was riding, and after 2 or let's say 5 to 7 minutes, when the bike was already warm, it started sticking, you know, and it was really annoying, you know, guys. The brakes were perfect, you know, nothing was really wrong with the brakes overall, so it was braking like normal, you know, guys. But the feeling when it gets suddenly hard to pull, you know, the brake lever, it's a very annoying one. And I decided to take it to one of my friends. You can check the video about it, I have it right here. And he just cleaned everything, unmounted everything, you know, lubed everything, and it worked for about 1 month, I would say. And after that, when the bike was again warm when riding, it happened again and again and again. And I said to myself, okay, I should resolve it the other way. There should be a solution for it. Somehow there should be a solution, I said to myself. And then I changed the brake pads. I cleaned everything. You can check my video also about it right here, right now, if you would like to. And you know, after that I also changed the brake fluid again, but this time with a completely new brake fluid, different kind, I mean different brand. You can check the brand of the fluid here, you can see it here. And suddenly, when I was again riding, I didn't experience that stiffness anymore. So no more of this problem, you know. Nothing really happened with the brake lever from that moment on. So when I now pull the brake, it is just normal, like it should be. So the brake lever, it's soft, and I adjusted the space between the handlebar and the brake lever, and everything really works like it should, like it would be new. So guys, the problem that I would like to explain right now is about the brake lever sudden stiffness, I would say. And somehow I solved it. To be honest, I changed the brake fluid, I changed the brake pads, and I cleaned everything myself once again. So probably all of these contributed to the fact that now the problem is gone. So for those of you who asked me about the problem, I can right now confirm that everything is all right. Brakes are perfect, no stiffness anymore, nothing. The brake lever just works like it should. So the real factor that affected the brake lever, I don't say that it is really about the brake pads, or could be, guys, could be. But you know, the whole thing, cleaning, re-cleaning everything, and putting inside the new brake fluid, I think that contributed the most, you know. So for those of you who will or are already experiencing the same problem, try everything that I tried. So first of all, clean everything, and if it's repeating, go for the new brake fluid. And in any other case, just change the brake pads and do everything, I mean, all together, and I think that you're gonna resolve it. So this was my case, guys. I am happy that the Bandit is right now in perfect condition, just like it was previously, before that brake lever problem. And I cannot add anything more here right now. I am enjoying the ride. I mean, the whole summer is perfect for riding this year. I can only say, guys, take care, ride safe, and see you in the next one.